It's a dry cold. Anyway, fuck.
So this video is about a trip to far northeastern Ontario to look for boreal birds, mainly grouse and ptarmigan. The winter is an excellent time to observe them. And our final destination here was Detour Lake Mine on the Quebec-Ontario border.
Guaranteed we're gonna see something here.
Oh yeah. It's pretty much a pure ice road here. It's about 8 o'clock, minus 26 degrees, but it's looking really nice. It's nice and warm in the car, and conditions look good for seeing maybe any ptarmigan or grouse or mammals that might be out here on our way to Detour Lake Mine. So let's see what we can see. It's gonna be a good day. First bird of the day, rough grouse in a tree. There he is. Looks like a nice male. Lovely. Looks like maybe a snowshoe hare. Some red poles in that tree. Recently lumped from the common and hoary red pole, now just red pole. There's a couple of them up there. Winter finches. Nice. Another winter finch here. This is a Pine Grosbeak. Can hear it calling there. Beautiful. Wow, look at that. Here we have our second species of grouse of the day. This is a spruce grouse, sitting right there on the road. See, it doesn't have that crest that the rough grouse has. It's also a darker gray. When we get a little closer, I can point out some of the finer field marks. It's this darker slate gray color. It doesn't have so much of a crest. And if you look really close, it has a red sort of patch above the eye. Yeah, that's a male. But they behave similarly to the rough grouse. These have got to be grouse tracks here. Or maybe ptarmigan tracks. Yeah, looks like it. Zigzagging around. Go up to the edge of the road over there. Looks like there was more than one bird. More grouse here. These ones are on the road. Not sure what made those tracks. Looks pretty distinctive though. Look who just came in to check us out. The gray jay. Actually, it's called the Canada jay now. Relative of the blue jay. They're very smart. Curious too. Flew in to see what was going on. Cute little guys. If we had some seeds, he'd probably come to my hand. Or she. Not sure. Very cute though. Looks like a lot of activity in here. Let's go see. Maybe they're hiding in these trees. Yeah. Yeah. Look at all these tracks. Look at all these tracks. Oh, maybe those are little cubbies there. Oh, that's cool. Let's see. They might just be in here. Look what we found. Look what we found. Willow Ptarmigan. Nice. See? 3 of them hiding under the tree. 4, I think. And there was one out in the open there, running away.
There's one under the tree over there too.
Oh yeah?
Over there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's one over there too. Yeah, they're all in here hiding. I think these must be what have been making the tracks too.
Don't move your head.
Amazing. Oh, that's great.
Get the video.
We've had a successful mission so far today. Something like, I think 12 Willow Ptarmigan. And what's really cool about these birds is that they come down from the Arctic. And sometimes you have eruption years where they come further south. And these birds, they're like snowshoe hares and certain types of weasel, like long-tailed weasels, short-tailed weasels, in that they become a sort of a white, pure white color in the winter. And in the summer, they're sort of this rich brown, reddish color. They change their feathers so that they can be better camouflaged in a given season. So this is the winter plumage. And this is one of 3 species of ptarmigan. There's the white-tailed ptarmigan, the rock ptarmigan, and the willow ptarmigan. And this is the willow ptarmigan. I think willow ptarmigan is Legopus legopus. Legomorph is a rabbit. So I don't know if the Latin name has something to do with maybe the fact that they're somewhat rabbit-like. I don't know. Interesting though. Pretty sure that these are Canada lynx tracks. They've got the sort of paw prints, if you look carefully, in some of them. Still pretty old, but you can see the imprints of paws in some of them. See, you can see some of the imprints in these prints here on the edge of the snowbank. Here's another northern bird here. Be hard to see, but there's a boreal chickadee up there, hopping around. Relative of the common black-capped chickadee. This is the northern version, the boreal chickadee up there. There's also a few more grosbeaks around. Over there, those are white-winged crossbills, another winter finch. And they actually have crossed bills, so they can open up pine and spruce cones and access the little seeds inside, and that's what they eat. The red ones are the males, and the females are sort of yellowish. Let me see if I can get a better shot. Family group of ruffed grouse there. Another boreal species here, the Black-Backed Woodpecker. There it goes. That's it calling there. Cool.